we're gonna go ahead and do the bottle. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and come down here and we were gonna work on the teaspoon. So I'm gonna just make a, so we gotta get some ink here. Make the definition of the teaspoon here, the scooper part of the spoon. There we go. And then it does say 1 teaspoon on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on here. Here, we can add a little definition to these energy balls here. They have flax seeds in them, so I'm gonna just draw the little, and I'm gonna add a little around here like this. There we go. I'm gonna leave that one because I kind of like how it looks. All right, so because this side is wet, I'm gonna scooch all the way over to the oatmeal and try to not touch the other things. So let me look at my oatmeal container here. So it says old-fashioned oats on it. All right, so I'm gonna try to write old. And then fashioned. Here we go. Here we are. And then the D gets a little bit bigger here. And it has a lot more on the package, but that's okay. And then oats is kind of a cursive letter O. Let's see if we can make it here. And then an A. And a T like this. Oops, we've run out of ink. Let's get some more ink. T like this. And an S. There we go. We'll make our bowl. It shows a bowl of oatmeal, so we'll go ahead and draw it like that. There we go. Kind of draw this off here like that. Okay, and then it has little strawberry slices in here. We can go back and add the red to it if we wanted. And then it has oatmeal, so I can just make little suggestion of oatmeal pieces here. I don't think we'll take the time to draw all of that. We'll just suggest the oatmeal there. We still have quite a bit of ink to do on this page, so we're gonna move along here. All right, and then over here, let's go ahead and draw out a little bit here to show this is the lid, and it has the little grippers on it so that you can turn it. We don't need to, if we suggest it there, we don't really need to draw it all along on the other parts. And then the bottle kind of goes like this, and then goes down like that. All right. And then I want to write write the word Jif right in the middle, and I'm not going to worry about the other words. There we go. It's not too bad. I'm going to just draw another line there. All right, then last we have our vanilla bottle to look at. So I'm putting that out in front of me so I can look at it a little bit better. And then it also has a lid that was white. So I left this space here white so that I could make my lid. And it has those little lines on it, the little gripper lines. So I'm going to do a suggestion of those. And you can kind of see the top of it a little while I'm looking at it. And I'm going to make it go, kind of goes down and over a little bit more than I drew it. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm just going to write the word vanilla on here. There we go. Maybe I'll make a little line here to show that it's a bottle. There we go. And then I'm going to write vanilla just like they have. Yeah, and then they put pure vanilla extract. So I'm going to go ahead and put pure. They put a P like this, kind of cursive. And then a U. And then extract. All right. One more thing that I noticed when I looked back is that on my old-fashioned oats, I did not put a lid on here. So I'm going to go back in here. There's a little more ink. I'm going to draw a line down here to make it a little bit more defined. And it's a cylinder, a big cylinder shape. So I want to make the line, that goes across like this. It has a clear lid, so I'm going to give some indication that there's a lid here. On there. There we go. And then draw a circle around like this to show that that's the oatmeal container lid. All right. There we go. I think that that is pretty good for our Power Bites illustration for our recipe. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day, and again, if you liked these videos, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and join me next week for some more baking and painting.